Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're solving a problem that looks simple, 30 divided by 1 over 2 times 2. First, look carefully at the expression. 30 divided by 1 over 2 times 2. Many people try to cancel the 2's, which gives us 1. And 30 divided by 1 end up with 30. But that answer is incorrect. Why? Because according to the order of operations called PEMDAS, multiplication and division have the same priority, so we must always work from left to right. So let's solve it properly. First we have to do this division, then this multiplication. We start with the leftmost operation. Not jump towards multiplication. 30 divided by 1 over 2. And to divide by a fraction, we use the KCF rule. K stands for keep. C stands for change. F stands for flip. Change the division sign to multiplication. Flip the second fraction. Now the expression becomes 30 times 2 times 2. Let's multiply step by step. 30 times 2 is equal to 60. And 60 times 2 is equal to 120. So the final answer is 120. Comment if you got it. Subscribe now to IQ Surge and keep your brain getting smarter every day.